Today I will be launching a meme coin. Okay, my coin popped up. Pump, 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 pump. If it goes just a bit higher, I will be removing the liquidity. Okay, fuck it. 3, 2, 1. Get fucking wrecked. I just made $400,000. Now, in today's video, I will be showing you guys exactly step by step on how I got rich off launching meme coins. Yes, you heard it right, launching meme coins. I do not trade meme coins because you will eventually lose all your money if you continue trading. Because 99% of all these coins are all rug pulls. They will eventually go to zero. Now, the reason why you have to be launching meme coins is because by launching meme coins, you have full control over any coin you launch, okay? But if you trade meme coins, you could lose your money at any given moment. For example, if you bought here, 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 and here, you could lose your money like this to the creator of the coin, okay? But by launching meme coins, all you have to do is find a decent narrative, make a coin, wait for buyers to buy in because there are millions of people who are trenching looking for the next big thing, and then remove the liquidity to get a shit ton of money. You will always make profits, and it's easy as that, okay? You can do this over and over again until you have the desired amount of money that you want. So make sure you keep watching until the end of the video if you truly want to make some money by launching meme coins. And yeah, let's go. Now, launching meme coins, okay, the first step is that you have to find an idea for a coin. So just a decent narrative, okay? The second step is to actually launch it using a software, right, directly on the Raydium DEX. And the third step is to actually make some money and to remove the liquidity. Now, to find a good narrative, I like to use Twitter because here you can find good narratives, okay? Like there's thousands of tweets like this one. It's pretty funny and it's about the war going on, and you know what I mean, right? Just 30,000 views. This is a perfect narrative. I might make a coin based off of this. You can also go on Google, type in news, and make coins based off of articles, right? Now, usually when you're trying to find a narrative for a coin, you would go based off of the trend. So right now, Los Angeles is trending, Trump and Elon Musk are trending because they're beefing, and the war in between Iran and something, and I forgot which other country, are trending, okay? So those for now are trending. I might make a coin based off of that, right? Now, as you can see here, Trump is confessing something, right? It has 500,000 views. This might be a good coin too. Now, in general, all of these coins are all good. Okay, I'm gonna make a coin based off of Starlink. So there's 14 million views. So I'm gonna make a coin based off of this. I don't give a fuck. Okay, it will get buyers because it's just how meme coins work. Then come to create-tokens.fun. Here is where you will be able to launch and create your own coins. Every single person who launches coins for a living, they use create-tokens.fun because the coins gets listed on the Raydium DEX directly. So you will get way more buyers and your coins will be graduated instantly without going through the migration phase, okay? And also you can copy coins if you're lazy, and you could make a couple $100 by doing that. But in today's video, I'm going to create a coin manually. So token name, Starlink update, right? For token name. For the token symbol, put the abbreviations for the token name, so SU for Starlink update. Then the screenshot, just put the screenshot that you just took. Next, that I just took. Decimals, keep that to 9. Total supply, keep it to 1 billion. Description, just copy the captions of the fucking tweet. Next, Twitter, click on share here, click on copy link, paste it here. Now website, you don't have one. Telegram, useless. Discord, it's useless. Modify creator information, that's useless. And here's really important, you have to keep these all selected, okay? So do not touch them, keep these all selected, otherwise you won't get any buyers. Nobody is going to buy your coin because they're going to think it's a scam. So keep these all selected. And before I create the coin, I just want to say that this video is for educational purposes only. Do not copy me, it's purely for entertainment purposes only. Obviously I am capping, but now it's time to launch the coin and make thousands. But Before, I want you to like, comment, subscribe, and in the next video, I will be launching this coin and making thousands of dollars. And yeah, bye.